Take a look at what I got here. The new Samsung Galaxy S24, not even in stores yet. We've got it. Let's take a closer look. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? Here it is, the new Samsung Galaxy S24. This is the Ultra model. So this is the top tier phone, the best one they sell. So excited to check this thing out. It's got the brand new Galaxy AI features built in. It also has better cameras than ever before. And you gotta hang out to the end of the video because I'm gonna show you how that new circle to search feature works on the Samsung phone. It's really cool.
So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S24. This is the box the new phone comes in. As we've seen, same thing with the iPhones and recent Samsungs. It's very, very minimal. A little bit of information on the back, but otherwise it's a very nondescript, simple black box. And you open up the cover, and here it is, the Samsung S24 Ultra, presented very nicely. They've got the back facing up, and you pull this little tab out, and the whole phone pops out. And that's pretty much it. In the lid, you actually have the USB-C cable, you've got the instructions, the SIM ejector tool, and that's it. And then the other side is the phone, and here it is. Let's pull the plastic off. I do love this moment. That is so rewarding. And look at the screen underneath here, this beautiful Gorilla Glass. On the bottom, you've got the USB-C port, you've got the SIM card tray there. This is that Samsung Galaxy S Pen, which is still here, which is interesting to see. I mean, it must be in demand still. People must still want this. And if you don't want to use it, it's just there. You're not even going to notice it unless you pop it out. On the side, you've got your volume keys, you've got your power button there. On the top, you've got a couple of microphone holes. And the other side is totally empty. Nothing on the other side. Very simple phone here. I mean, it's a giant slab is essentially what we've gotten to here. But look at the front of this. Big giant screen. That's that front-facing camera there. Flip it over on the back, and you've got 4 different cameras. Let me break it down for you. 200 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel 5x, and a 10 megapixel 3x camera. A pretty good selection. 4 cameras. That 5th lens is actually for additional focusing purposes. Back to the front here, gorgeous large screen, and I want to power this on because I want to show you what the bezels look like around the screen on the S24. Okay, powered on, and take a look. Very minimal bezel, which I think is pretty impressive. This thing is all screen. It really feels nice in your hand. It's large. The screen is large, but notice the bezels are even around the sides. And then back to those cameras again, a closer look at those cameras. Just a really nice piece of hardware here. They got rid of the curves on the edge. They got rid of a lot of the softer features and went back to a very squared off slab phone, which personally, I dig. I promised you I'd show you some AI features. Watch this. So in this picture, I like this blue chair. So I'm going to hold down the home button. That activates circle to search. And then I just use my finger to circle the blue chair, and it instantly searches it. Very similar to Google Lens, but an easier way to access these kind of results. Look at that. There are chairs just like the blue one I circled. And it works for text too. I don't even have to circle it. I just draw a line through it, basically highlighting the text. I'll highlight El Nino here, and it instantly jumps into search results for the word El Nino. Very cool. Just trying to make searching easier. If you see something on the screen, you want to know more, they're trying to make it so you can easily find that info. The question is, will I really use this in real life? Time will tell, but I think it is a pretty cool feature.
We're just scratching the surface here with the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Pop in the comments. Tell me what you want to see. I'm going to be doing side-by-sides with the iPhone. I'll be doing an in-depth review with this. I'll be doing more demos on how the AI features on the S24 works. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to get those new videos as they come out. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.